Hi everyone. So we realised that we have been doing a lot of videos about our travels recently. So for some people, you might love that. For other people, not so much. And we do love talking about gadgets and all of that kind of stuff. However, we're going to share with you a special episode today because we're going to share with you a game that we devised while we were waiting for a ferry. Now, can you remember which ferry it was?
Loch Maddie to Uig.
Okay.
First prize goes to whoever can tell us exactly where Loch Maddie is and where Uig is. That can be the first bit of the game.
So this is a short video. Watch this clip coming up and I'll be back with you shortly after. To play this game, make sure you've got your ignition turned on and then on your control panel, hit the button, scroll to the right and hit the level gauge.
Will seems to have devised a new game that essentially is how much can you make the level meter change by wriggling around in the seat. Okay, right. So let's watch him actually wiggle so we can see what he's doing. Oh, I'm sure you can do more than that, Will. Right, okay. Right. Let's watch.
I'm going for a full degree. As in from 0.5 to 1.0. Ready?
Yeah. I need to move my elbow out of the way. Okay, go.
What did we get to?
I think it did just go over, but it was moving so quickly I couldn't see. I'll have to report back. Hey, he managed it. 1.0. Get it. I think he would like 1.1, but we're definitely at 1.0. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I think the poor people at the ferry port that were around us were wondering what on earth was actually going on in our van.
There was a lot of rocking.
Had me in hysterics.
There was a lot of rocking. Anyway, so we want to know what you can manage. So I managed, I think it was 0.5 or 0.6. Of a
degree sideways.
Of a degree sideways.
Yeah.
We're not doing front to back. We're not doing that. We're doing side to side. Let's have a look. Let's see what you can manage. I'm sorry, all of the owners who have got T6s, T5.1s, T5s. I know you don't have this gauge, and I'm sorry, this is a bit of a T6.1 club thing. I'm really sorry about that. However, it really tickled us when we did it, didn't it? So let's have a look. Let's see what you can do. Get it posted down below. If you can do a short video clip with a freeze frame or something like that, which shows us exactly what you've managed, good stuff. So, yeah.
Or any other games that you've managed to devise.
Even better. What games have you devised?
Anything in the dashboard or in the console unit thing. So, yeah, look forward to hearing all about them.
Good stuff. If we were bigger, we'd give you a prize. Maybe we'll give you a mention in the next video, actually. That's yes. What we can do as a prize. Yeah, we'll give you a mention in the next video. Let's see what you can do. And we'll see you again soon for some more California time.